Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you guys know, the Mandalorian by Colourpop collection has officially launched as of today. I will have the entire collection linked down below in the description box, along with the coupon code so you guys can get $5 off of your purchase. I'm going to be reviewing the collection in today's video. I'm going to show you guys swatches of both palettes and everything that comes in the collection. But I'm only going to be doing an eye look for one of the palettes. The palette I'm going to be using today is the Mandalorian eyeshadow palette. My friend Gigi, which I'm collaborating in today's video with her to show you guys how to achieve a look using the other palette. So the other palette is called the Mandalorian Child eyeshadow palette. This is what this one looks like. Again, I'm going to show you guys the swatches of this palette, but I'm not going to be using it as a tutorial in today's video. So you guys can refer to my friend's channel, Gigi. On her channel, she's going to show you how to use this palette. So I'll have her channel linked down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into a review of the entire collection.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
In this collection, we have the Star Wars Mandalorian eyeshadow palette. These are the swatches of all the shades that are in this palette. We do have 4 shimmer shades in this palette, and then the rest are matte shades. There is one matte that does have sparkles in it, which is the last one here, the darkest brown color in the swatches. And then we have the Mandalorian, the Child eyeshadow palette. These are all the swatches of this palette here. Again, you guys can check out a tutorial using this palette over on my friend's channel, which is going to be linked down below in the description box. I really love these shades. I definitely do prefer this palette over the other one. This collection also comes with this really cute makeup bag, and on the little zipper part, it has a little frog, which is really cute. The inside is white. It's a really good size bag for your makeup. And then we also have this cute little mirror. It's really small. I really don't like the size of it. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but overall it's really cute if you do love Baby Yoda. And then we have the Rescue Luxe lip oils. This here is very fine consistency. It just really hydrates your lips. The pink one does give you a little bit of a tint, not very much, but it just really hydrates your lips. Alright, so we're going to get started with this icing eyeshadow base from Glamlight, and I just wanted to let you know that I was doing this live and I was having lots of fun. I have my White Claw, but anyway, we're applying this concealer all over the eye, and then we're going to take this color here called Bantha Tracks. If I mispronounce any of these names, please forgive me because I have never watched Star Wars, okay? I know. This is such a beautiful and very soft shade, perfect for everyday use. Then we're going to move on to this yellowish toned eyeshadow. This is the color Navarro Sand. And then we're going to be applying this at the outer edge of the eye. I knew that my girl Gigi was going to come through with something very bold, so I wanted to make sure that I did something very subtle so that you can have 2 different ideas on how to use these eyeshadow palettes from the collection. Then I'm going to take the color Creed. This color here I thought was going to be a little bit more intense than it actually showed up, and it really isn't that pigmented, to be quite honest. I did pack on this eyeshadow quite a bit and I wasn't getting the intensity that I really wanted, and I also experienced a lot of kickback in the pans. So just something to take into consideration when using this eyeshadow. Just make sure you use this eyeshadow before doing your face makeup. Going into my first shimmer, this one is called Beskar Steel. Beskar? Girl, I know I'm not pronouncing this shit right. And at this point, I wish I remembered what we were talking about in the live. I'm just laughing, having a good old time. If you guys want to see me live on my Instagram, be sure to follow me, first of all. And then also let me know in the comments when you guys find yourselves the most active on Instagram. But anyway, let's take this color here called Clan of Two. We're applying this right next to the center shade, and we're applying it to the outer and inner corner of the eye. I was listening to some oldies, and girl, I was feeling it. Again, I tried to get more of the intensity from this color here called Creed. This is the dark brown shade, but again, I was not feeling it with this color. On the waterline, I'm using this eye pencil from Colourpop from the Raw Beauty collection. Right under this liner, I'm using the color Navarro Sand once again from the palette. It just goes really well with this color. Since this look was a little bit on the subtle side, I wanted to do a wing liner. I'm using the Revlon Color Stay liquid liner, and that basically is it. Just applying some mascara and lashes off of camera. Okay friends, so that completes today's review of the Mandalorian collection with Colourpop. Again, I will have this collection linked down below in the description box, and please don't forget to check out my friend's channel so that you guys can make sure to see what the other palette has to offer. Let me know your thoughts of this collection down below in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Have you shopped with me yet? Go ahead and take a look. I have so many eyelashes, different styles to complement any occasion. I also sell eyelash glue. I have press-on nail sets that I hand paint with love myself. I sell press-on nail kits, which you can do your own DIY nails, or maybe you want to sell your own press-on nails. I have so much to offer on my website, so go ahead and visit www.soñadoraofficial.com.